So Skills USA is a professional organization that unites industry, students, and teachers, specifically for career and technical education. So Prosser is a perfect fit for Skills USA, and we basically participate in the competition part of Skills USA. So this year we have 7 state winners who've got first place in the state of Indiana, so the best in Indiana, and they will now proceed on to the national contest in Atlanta, Georgia.
Here I am at Precision Machining, and at Skills I went for CNC turning. It felt good. I felt like all of my hard work actually paid off, and it felt relieving that I could actually do something like that. And I have more confidence going into something else.
We had to do several just basic weld joints, and we had to weld to a spec and match our blueprint completely. It felt great. It was definitely a confidence booster. I've gotten a couple of scholarships with Ivy Tech, but mainly the skills and the confidence has greatly improved. It's just a great program. It's great for everyone to be able to go compete, have something to do.
I'm in precision machining, and when I did Skills, I competed as a CNC technician. It's really an honor, because I've had 4 siblings come through Prosser, and 3 of them, I think, have competed in Skills. So I think I'm the one who's gone the farthest. It's not just Prosser I'm representing the state of Indiana and my family as well. It's a lot of pressure, but it'll be a lot of fun.
Prosser prepares all of our students to either go into college or straight into their job force or their industry. This is just kind of an extra step that students can do to help them prepare for their future, to become leaders, to become, great Americans. It's just another experience to compete against other students in their program areas, to meet other people in their program areas, see how they stack up, see how Prosser stacks up. When they get out there and compete, they realize, wow, I go to Prosser, and now I'm a national competitor because of things that I've learned from going to Prosser.